I'd love to learn to speak Irish again.
I would go back to learn it if I could learn it in the evening classes.
And I'd love to speak Irish fluently.
Have you been thinking about learning Irish in recent years but never quite got around to it?
In Gaelchultúr's classes, we aim to give you the language skills and confidence to start speaking Irish immediately with your friends and family.
We teach useful everyday words and phrases in our classes, and we keep grammar and writing to a minimum. So, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's coming back to Irish after a good number of years, Gaelchultúr's classes will have you speaking the language with confidence in no time. Irish is a living and vibrant language, and Gaelchultúr's classes make learning it fun and easy. So why wait? Visit www.gaelchultúr.com now and sign up for one of our courses. And don't forget, an Irish class is a great way to make new friends.